Hilton Albany parking garage, where they got a million signs telling you, hide your valuables, we're not responsible, more than the normal. So, hopefully the hotel is a lot nicer than the garage. I actually have a Hilton Albany. I could go and eat if I wanted to. Nice bar. Whole bunch of. So this hotel is literally a block away from Albany State Capitol building. So, you know, it's going to be. They're going to try to have a lot of stuff for business. That's the concierge. Here's the rooms. Since I'm not staying here. It's a business office. The rest of the restaurant. Everyone's waiting for the elevator. I'm going to take the stairs because I like it. There's the pool. Huge. This is the workout room, but I think I can see it. Yeah. Treadmills, ellipticals, the singing thing, I can never remember the singing, cycling, the standing cycling. Freeways. Disc, I don't know what that is over there. And a couple of universal machines. So that's the fitness room. And this is the pool. No food or drinks at all in the pool area. Vending machines down here. And the elevator banks here. I'm gonna go back up to the level. It looks like they put the pool in. What do you think? The way it's designed from here to there, like this is an atrium and they just like, this would be a perfect place for the pool. So, I don't know. Maybe it was designed that way. If it was, that's impressive. Smaller room. This is their downstairs bathroom. I guess if I come in here, the lights come on, yeah. Okay, we actually got sneak peeks of the rooms because since they're renovating, they had that video going. So now you see what some of the rooms look like. You saw a couple of the meeting rooms, pool, fitness center, restaurant, ATM, lobby. That's a good tour.